Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going on a super fun journey, all about getting to know our amazing bodies. Whoa, check this out. It's a birthday party. What do you see? I spot a big cake with candles, a super colorful present, and oh my gosh, so much yummy food. And you know what? The girl says the food smells so nice. And look at the boy. He's holding a present and he says it feels really soft. How cool is that? You know, that gets me thinking. Kind of like this wise professor here. How do we know all that stuff? I mean, how do we know the present is soft, or that the food smells good, or even what a cake tastes like? That is a really, really good question, isn't it? Well, I'll tell you the secret. The answer is we use our amazing bodies and our very own super senses. That's right, you have superpowers. So are you ready to learn all about them with me? Awesome, let's go. Okay, first stop on our big adventure, our body parts. Let's check out all the amazing parts that make you, you. Okay, everybody, let's pretend we're looking in a big mirror. Can you point to your eyes? Yep, right there. Now, where's your nose? Let's find it. Boop, perfect. And what about your mouth, the one you use for big smiles? You got it. That's exactly right. Our face is packed with important parts. We've got our eyes for seeing, a nose for smelling, a mouth for talking and yummy eating, and our ears for listening to music and stories. See, you've got them all. But wait a second, it's not just about our face. Our whole body is just amazing. We have a head right on top, we have arms and hands, and way down at the bottom, we have legs and feet to help us run and stand up tall. And you know what's really cool? All these parts have special jobs to do. We use our hands to hold things, like our favorite toys. And we use our legs to kick a ball. Goal! They help us play and have fun all day long. All right, now that we're experts on our body parts, remember those superpowers I was talking about? Well, it's time to learn all about our awesome 5 senses. Get ready, here they are, our 5 super senses. With our eyes we see, with our nose we smell, with our tongue we taste, with our ears we hear, and with our skin we feel. Wow, that's a whole lot of superpowers packed into one body. So let's start with our eyes. Our sense of sight is what helps us see all the beautiful colors in the world, like a super bright red balloon, a big blue sky, or even your favorite cartoons on TV. Okay, next up, our sense of touch. And for that, we use our skin. Did you know you have skin all over your body? And it helps us feel if something is hot or cold, or maybe even rough or smooth? Whoa, look at all the different ways things can feel. Like a tree trunk feels hard and kind of rough, right? But a teddy bear feels so soft and cuddly. A cup of tea can be hot, be careful, while an icy drink is super cold. Hey, can you look around and find something soft right now? Now for one of my absolute favorite senses, taste. We use our tongue to figure out if food is yummy or not so yummy. Just look at that delicious looking cake. And there are so many different kinds of tastes. Chocolate cake is sweet, yum. French fries are salty. A lemon is really sour. Ooh, make a sour face. And sometimes things can be spicy, like chili peppers. Whoa, that's hot. Wow, you guys have learned so much. So what do you say? Are you ready to play a little game and test yourself? I bet you are. Let's do this. Okay, question number 1. The nose, eyes, and ears. Are they parts of our face or our legs? Think really hard. The answer is our face. Yes, you're right. All right, here comes the next one. We taste with our tongue and we see with is it our eyes or our ears? I bet you know this one. We see with our eyes. That's it. Fantastic. Last question. You're doing so great. If you want to see a big, bright red balloon, do you use your eyes or your nose? The answer is your eyes. Hooray! You are a total superstar. You did it. You got all the questions right. That is just great. Give yourself a big round of applause. Go on. So what did we learn today? We learned that your body is absolutely amazing.
It's like your very own super machine with incredible powers. So next time you're playing outside, or eating your favorite snack, or hugging someone you love, think about all the amazing senses you're using to explore this big, wonderful world. Now go on out there. What will you discover next?